Speed is distance over time. Velocity is speed in a given direction. Velocity is calculated in soccer because when you kick the ball or run, you have to do so in a given direction. The velocity of the athlete would be calculated by how far the athlete was moving over how long it took to get there and the direction at which they were moving. The velocity of the ball would be calculated by how far the ball went over how long it took to get there and the direction at which the ball was moving.
The length of the grass and the weight and size of the ball affect the strength of friction in soccer. An example of static friction in soccer would be when the ball is motionless at kickoff. An example of rolling friction in soccer would be when the ball is rolling on the ground. An example of fluid friction would be when the ball is flying through the air. Air resistance is a form of fluid friction. The more area the ball goes over, the more friction it faces, causing it to slow down.
The mass of an object is the amount of matter in the object. The weight of an object is the measure of force on the object caused by gravity. Gravity affects the soccer ball the most. Gravity keeps the ball under control and causes it to always come back to the ground. Gravity also allows the ball to move in whatever direction it is forced on. Gravity also affects the legs of the players. Gravity affects the legs by keeping them on the ground, and after kicking the ball, the leg comes back down.
A ball at rest during kickoff will stay at rest until it is kicked or acted on by another force. A ball that is rolling after being kicked will continue to roll until it is acted on by another force. When a player's leg swings backwards then forwards, kicking the ball goes forward.
Two factors that affect the momentum of an object are mass and velocity. Increasing the mass and increasing the velocity can increase momentum. Repeatedly kicking the ball can increase the ball's momentum. Also, by putting more air in the ball, the momentum can become increased.
Forces are measured in newtons. A combination of forces in soccer would be gravity, wind, and air resistance. Gravity keeps both the players and the ball on or near the ground. Wind can affect the direction in which the ball goes and how fast the ball and the players go. Air resistance affects the speed of the ball and the player.
An example of kinetic energy is when a ball is moving or when a person is running. An example of potential energy is when a ball is motionless at kickoff or a person is standing still waiting for kickoff to happen. An example of mechanical energy is when a ball is still and a person kicks it, causing it to move. When a player is running in soccer and using kinetic energy, the player is using about 675 joules of energy. When a player or ball is motionless and using potential energy, the ball and player are using about 0 joules of energy. The mechanical energy of the player is about 675 joules. So, as you can see, when the athlete was running to get the ball, they started at 0 and then accelerated and then went at the same speed and then decelerated and then accelerated again, ran at the same speed and decelerated and came to a slow jog.
Now it's still red. What does that mean?
Wait, but is it in a square now?
Yeah, it's a square.
Okay.
The length of the grass and the weight of the and size of the ball affect the... Wait.
It doesn't make any sense.
I know. Wait.
Wait a minute.
Go.
This way?
Yes. No, you kicked it too.
Jump! You want me to jump?
Sideways.
Finally.
Now what do
I don't know.
Yay! Okay. Let's move on. Get your foot off it! Motionless.
I care to say it. Say it.
Well, I gotta get close to the tree. Sideways!
trees are no good on a soccer field.
No, it's not good.
Wait, I'm selfie vining. Whee!
Gravity keeps both the player.
Just start over.
Okay.
Go.
Forces are measured. Look at
Well,
it.
don't touch it. Yeah, it's like moss.
It's yellow.
Is that
Jennifer.
lichen?
Girl. Like this on the tree.
Ew, the tree's all like gross. It has like spider
My
webs.
foot's stuck.
Girl, my foot is actually stuck.
Smile.
Sideways!
Sideways. If I've learned one thing from this project, it's that you always hold the camera sideways.
Yes.
You want me to
Put it
jump?
sideways. 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 Go, Reagan, go. Swing, Reagan, swing.
What? Get out of the sandbox.